Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the Telnet password and how to configure SSH on Cisco switch. For Telnet, type the following command line VTY0 to 15 password Cisco login and also type service password encryption. So now the Telnet password is configured already and the user authentication password will be the same as you saw in the last video. Next is how to configure SSH. So first thing, we have to enable a username and password for SSH. To enable the username and password, type user Cisco, password Cisco, IP domain name cisco.com, crypto key generate RSA. Now we will enable the SSH password line VTY 0 to 15, then set the password Cisco login local, and now we will configure VTY ports for using SSH. The command is transport input telnet SSH. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.